If you're worried about whether a DJI Avata can handle flying through trees and wood, and you're worried about it crashing into trees or you not being able to control it through these spaces, this video demonstrates that you should have no worries whatsoever flying around this. All this footage is in normal mode using the DJI Remote Controller free and just basically flying it randomly everywhere, just trying to crash the drone and pushing it through branches, twigs, and flying it close to the ground, flying it close to me, flying it basically close to everything just to see how many problems it will give you. As you can quite clearly see, the drone has absolutely no problems flying around in this low light. This footage was also taken just around about dusk. DJI Avata 2 is an amazing drone, and in manual mode it's also amazing, but if you're not happy to fly in manual mode, you can clearly see that you can fly the drone in normal mode and get just as much out of it without the fear of it breaking. I hope this video has been a help to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share. Thanks then. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.